Like 50% of dropshippers on Etsy, they are using AliExpress as a supplier. And I'm going to show you guys the reason why they are using AliExpress, and I'm going to show you guys the mistakes a lot of new sellers make when they are starting dropshipping on Etsy from AliExpress. And I'm going to show you every single thing you need to know, guys, to start this business, and how you can grow it, and how you can make passive income doing this business. And it's very easy, and dropshipping is the easiest business you can do in 2023 and beyond. Now, what you need to do, guys, to start this business, first I'm going to show you guys the mistakes that you should avoid, and I'm going to show you how you can start this business. First thing you want to do, guys, open your AliExpress, and as you can see, guys, you can find on AliExpress any product, okay? And what new sellers do, they don't know. I don't really blame them, because they heard some YouTubers say that you have to do that, do this, and they don't know. They just follow what they are seeing. They don't know how it works. This saw a YouTuber, they watched someone. They explained how to dropship on Etsy from AliExpress, and they do the exact same thing, and they got banned because they don't know how it's the policies on Etsy. They don't know how Etsy works. Now, the mistakes that I'm trying to tell you guys is Etsy allows dropshipping, but you only have to list handmade products. You only have to list handmade products. That's the problem, guys. If you go to Etsy and you search, for example, for AirPods, okay, AirPods, and here you can only find the cases of AirPods, but you can't find AirPod itself. And what sellers do is they search for AirPods, and they find, for example, like the AirPods, and they list the item on Etsy, and their account will get banned because there is no one who can make this at home. It's not possible. This is not handmade. This is a product that came from a big company, okay? Now, that's the only mistake, guys, you should avoid, is listing products that are not handmade. You can list the keys of the AirPods, yes, the keys, because you can make it. It's possible to make it. It's possible to make it at home, okay? I'm not saying that you have to make it at home. We are talking about dropshipping here. Like, you can just go to AliExpress, find a keys that looks like it's handmade, and list it. You will not get banned. I tried it multiple times. I have been doing dropshipping for 3 years. So that's the only mistake, guys, you should avoid, is listing products that are not handmade. Now, let me show you another example. For example, necklace, okay? Necklace, like, you can list necklaces. You can make a store specifically about necklaces, which the best thing, guys, to do right now is to make this store about necklaces for women. And a lot of people have, let's search on Etsy for necklace. You can find a lot of stores here. Women, I'm going to do that, and you can find here a lot of people here on Etsy. They are just selling necklaces, okay? That's it. And as you can see, this store is doing a lot of, they are selling a lot of items per day, like 30, 100. So that's all you need to do, guys. You just want to find product that looks it's handmade. For example, necklaces, you want to go to AliExpress and search for necklaces. As you can see, necklace for women, and make sure you add their custom, okay? Because why you do that custom? You add their custom because you want to find a seller on AliExpress who can add a custom name to the necklace, okay? So if someone places an order on Etsy and they tell you that you want, for example, their name to be in the necklace, you want to say okay, and then go to AliExpress, and after you place the order on AliExpress, you want to tell the seller, hi, can you add the name blah blah in the necklace, and then they can send the necklace with the name that you have told them to add to the necklace, okay? to put in the necklace. Now that's it, guys. This is very simple. Like, I'm trying to explain to you this, and my English is not even that good, and I've been doing this for a very long time. I have got a lot of sales. I'm talking about thousands of dollars, okay, more than $50,000. Now you can do this, guys. If you can speak English fluently, you can do this better than me, 100%. Just find handmade products, list them on Etsy. Now the second thing you might be wondering is, how can I list? You don't know how to list. First, download this extension. It's called Download AliExpress Images. Okay, Download AliExpress. You want to search for it, something called AliSave. Yes, this is the extension. Download it. Click on Add to Chrome. Click on Add extension. Now, whenever you open any product on AliExpress, you will find 4 different options here. As you can see, main images. If you click on main images, the pictures will be downloaded, as you can see, and then you can start listing. Now, if you don't know how to list an item on Etsy, just go to YouTube and search for how to list an item on Etsy from, for example, AliExpress, and you will find a lot of videos who will tell you how you can do that. It's very easy. It's not something that is complicated. Make sure you put the location of your store, China, because most items on AliExpress are from China. Okay. Now, if you let's say that you have a question and like you didn't find an answer for it, leave a comment below. Tell me the question that you have. I will reply, guys, to you within a few minutes. Most of the time I'm always active, and I will reply to you guys with an answer. And if you don't understand anything, like I said, just contact me. Let me know in the comments. I will reply to every single comment. So drop a like on this video, and see you guys in the next video.